My name is Awais Ali and I am student of Horticulture Department in Pir Meher Ali Shah Arid Agriculture University. My ARID number is 17 ARID 2893. Dr. Tanveer Hussain gave us assignment about horticulture, protected horticulture. First of all, I will tell about the protected horticulture. What is protected horticulture? In this picture, you can see a controlled environment. Protected horticulture is basically that in which we control the temperature, moisture, and light according to our desire or according to what we can want to give our plant. Now I will tell about the importance of protected cultivation. First of all, in protected horticulture we can increase the quality and quantity of our product. The production is higher. We can produce the vegetables disease free. We can protect our vegetables from the harsh conditions such as high winds or high temperatures. We can grow the plants in off season. For example, we can grow vegetables in summer that vegetables are from the winter, and we can grow vegetables in winter which are from the summer. We can use the efficient use of resources. We can provide plants exact nutritions and exact water that the plant is needed. Basically, protected horticulture is very important nowadays, as it is very it produce very organic vegetables. Now I will show you the protected structures. There are the following protected structures. It we can grow vegetables in in glass rooms or in greenhouses. As you can see in these pictures, the plants are grown in the protected structures. It have controlled environment, controlled temperatures. Basically, it is very nowadays protected horticulture is becoming very common, and it is very efficient for producing an organic vegetables. Uh, you can see in these pictures, these are basically the structures of protected protected horticulture is very important, as we can control the temperature and moisture according to our wish. Thank you. That's my topic.